transfer this boat from that trailer onto this trailer as easy as possible. I've been procrastinating for a while now, replacing this axle, but since I figured there's all kinds of problems with this trailer, there's all kinds of little cosmetic issues and rust all over it, I figured it'd be easier just to buy a new trailer. Got a well-built trailer, brand new axle, fits my boat perfect. Hopefully it shouldn't be too hard. So I think we have a couple options here. One would be jack up the back and put cinder blocks under it. And then I think you could jack up the middle, put another cinder block under it, and then as the boat's elevated, you pull the trailer out little by little and keep moving the blocks back until the trailer is out of the way. Or I'm hoping I can get away with, if I take this whole middle piece off, if I take all this off, I'm hoping I can back this up far enough that I can just pull the boat straight onto that trailer. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping I can just drag this boat right onto the trailer. See how it goes. Step by step, it gets a little bit closer. Another trailer's underneath the axle finally. 2 people would have been easy. crooked, but that can always be adjusted. Hard part's over. So the trailer swap went successful. The old trailer's sitting over there. Now that you have it on flat ground, you can see how to adjust it now. As you can see, I need about 3 or 4 inches. I gotta lift the front one. They're adjustable U-joints, U-bolts, whatever you call them. The middle one needs to go up about 2 inches, and it's sitting on the back one. So you loosen all these, lift the board up, and then tighten them back down. So now the back two are touching, but the front one's not quite touching. Or if I got a bigger plate to adjust it, because I only need about 2 more inches, but I don't think that's really a big deal. It sits on there pretty good now. Back half is on, front's attached. I think it'll be all right. So I adjust the trailer. I'll land by myself. Not too bad.